Hey guys, it's Corn74. How are you guys today? I'm doing a quick unboxing of the DXG high def camcorder. I purchased this today because I've got another one at home, an Aptec model, but it's very noisy. The microphone on it is very noisy, and so I thought I'd try something else. Had a good video quality, just it was very noisy, so there was not much point of using it really for YouTube anyway. This is one I purchased today from Kmart, and it was normal price is $1.99, but I got it for $1.26, so I got a bit of a bargain. This is the software that comes with it, video and photo software. Also what you get is a pouch or something to protect the camera. You get a charger, battery charger for the camcorder, a lanyard. You also get your AV cables. You can plug it into your TV. That's the battery. You also get a charger that plugs into the battery charger, obviously. Not sure, I'm pretty sure you can charge a battery in the camcorder too, I would say so. You get your USB cable, so you can transfer via USB cable as well. Okay, this is the camera here. First I'll put that aside, I noticed there's something else in here. Get this out. And get your high def cable as well, so you can watch high def movies straight from your camera to your high def TV. Okay, move this box aside, and this is a little camcorder. Okay. Looks pretty nice, so for the price it's pretty good. You got your macro switch there, your record button, and then your record and stop you can press like that. That's your zoom. This one's your play button to watch videos on there. That's your high def cable input, and this is your USB AV input. Okay, we'll open it up. It's 3-inch screen, LCD screen, which is a nice size for this small camera. Here we have your power button, and is your menu, and your DISP button. This is where the memory card goes in, right there. This is where you put it on a tripod. Couldn't think of the name. Your LED lights for when your camera's running at night, or the lens obviously. This is where your battery goes as well, right in there. So I'll give it a test, I'll give it a whirl and see how she goes. And I'll put some videos up. I'll put a couple of clips up of see how good the actual high def video of this thing is. But anyway, that's the DXG high def slim camcorder. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers guys.